Hello and welcome to Krista's Crafty. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable beaded snake keychains. So pony beads, some cording, really that's all you're going to need. So I do use this specialized cording. I need 5 feet of that. You're going to need 46 of your main color for your pony beads. You're going to need your body accent, so that's the stuff that's going down kind of the tail part. You'll need 5 of those. For the diamond up on the head, you're going to need 9, and then you're going to need 2 for the eyes. So I just measure out on a regular ruler 5 feet. I think I measured 4.5 or 4, but just take 5 feet and you'll have more than enough. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and find both ends, and I'm going to find the center of my cording. By doing this, I can start right there with my keychain attachment, and then I know I'm on the center. So with my keychain, I'm just using this little one here. You can use any type of thing. You can put like a little ring on there, or a one with a clasp. Any type of keychain will work. So just loop it through there and just do what I showed you right here, is just to loop it through so that it's attached to your key ring. And then I like to take some tape and just tape that down to my desk so it's not moving around. It really does make the project go a lot easier, and I think you'll like the result a lot better. Now for the next part, we're going to start putting on our beads, and really it's probably best just to watch the color pattern that I'm putting on. If you're not using the same colors as me, then I would suggest maybe writing them down onto a sticky note so that you remember which colors you're using compared to what I'm using. I do take a lighter at this point and burn the ends of the cording just because it's starting to fray. If you are younger, please do not try this at home. Get an adult to help you. You can also just take a piece of tape and wrap it around the end. That works as well. So now I'm going to start adding on the beads, following the pattern. And like I said, it's probably best if you just watch the video to see, the pattern. I will put a pattern of the beaded snake up on my Facebook page, Krista's So Crafty. If you want to have that, you can go over there and have a look. From here on out, I'm just going to be adding in the beads, and make sure that when you're doing this that you put your bead on, and then no matter what the pattern is, this part is the same. So no matter what the pattern is, put the beads on one side and then take your cording and push it through the opposite way through the holes, and then just pull it snug. Don't pull it real tight, but pull it snug. And then this is how you start creating your pattern for your design. So I'm just going to let you watch this here, and happy beading. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think you're going to enjoy this. Congratulations, that's a lot of beads, and I'm sure yours looks fantastic. So now that you have all the beads on, we need to secure the end so that it's not going to come undone and fall off, right? You don't want to go through all that work and have all your work just fall off. So just tie a double knot on the bottom, and you can do one of two things. You can put some glue on the end of it, or you can just take the lighter again and just kind of glue it. Now, I do recommend tying it at least 3 times, maybe 4. You want to make sure that that's good and tight. You don't want it to come off. So trim your thread, and that's it. You're all done. Finish it off the way you would like. I'm just going to take my lighter and just burn it. Now, make sure you're careful because obviously it's going to be hot, so be careful with this. Again, if you're younger, please get an adult to help you. And that's it. You're done. Now, as well, if you wanted, you could leave like a little tail off of there. Just trim your cording a little bit longer. But that's it. You're done. And now you can take it and hang it off of your purse or your backpack or even off of your jeans. You can put it on a coat as far as the zipper pull goes or anything like that. So now that you've made one in the colorway that you've chosen, now you can make more. As you can see, I've made another one here in the blues and the pinks with green eyes. Really, the color combination is totally up to you. You can make them whatever colors you want. I really hope you enjoyed making the beaded snake, and I can't wait to see all the different color combinations you come up with, which you can share on my Facebook page, Krista's So Crafty. Happy crafting!